Good morning. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I got my phone tucked in my pocket here to see if I can take a quick video of doing some mowing. I'm up on the mountain, trying to get rid of some brush, trees that are hanging into the roadways. We've got a whole bunch of trails that we try to maintain up here. And it's all ledge that I'm operating on, so excuse the bumpiness and the noise. But I'm in the Kubota 080. I guess that one's routed anyway. Take it down. Got the US Mower on it. It's not, to me, it's not a smooth running rig. I've got probably 15,000 hours in excavators. This is a rather jerky operating excavator. I'm not overly impressed with it, but it's what we've got to work with. So I think it's being robbed of a lot of power with the mower. I don't, come on, I can't film and do this same time very well. Really don't think the power is evenly distributed. It's annoying as hell. If you try to move, you lose lifting power. If the mower is being powered, you lose travel power. It just acts like it doesn't have enough pump. That or it's plumbed wrong, which is what my father always thought. He worked up here for 20 years running this thing. The other machine besides, they had a 121 Kubota before this with a mower on it. He said that one ran it much better. Not this same mower, but ran a little bit smaller mower a lot better and a lot more smoothly than this thing does. So I don't know. I think it's a problem, but it's what we got to work with. So hope this video comes out halfway decent. It's a Mickey Mouse way to do it, but jerking around, taking a ride here, trying to do it. So, about 300 acres up here to maintain. My father did it for 20 years, and he passed away suddenly. A little over a year ago, they asked me if I would take over. So this is job number 5, I guess, 4, 5. Got too many jobs. Keep packing. Come on. I want to go on the snow where I want it to go. It's a little slick going. We're getting around. I don't know if this audio is going to come out at all, but it's worth a try. What the heck? It's a snowy, rainy day. Getting a little snow-rain mix. The road was snow-covered coming up, but not bad. It's supposed to be rain. Thread the needle here between some trees. Get rid of some of this brush. And I can come through with a chainsaw and the log trailer and try to pick up a whole bunch of leftover trees and whatnot. I don't find this excavator to be the most comfortable. The seat doesn't sit the way I'd like with the levers. There isn't a lot of adjustment. I wish I could bring these arm rests up just a little bit. Set the seat back even further. I've gone back as far as I can. Then it's a reach for the levers, reach for the pedals. I got a smaller Takeuchi that I find to be a little more comfortable. Run quite a number of excavators. This wouldn't be the one I chose if I was in Biden, I guess what I'm saying. If it's what you got, you use it. You don't have a lot of choice. Get some of these branches taken care of. We had a heck of a snow back in December, really wet, heavy snow that just brought everything down, made a mess of everything. Had a lot of branches in the road, so I've been going around with a chainsaw, and I find it's a good rainy day to bring this rig out, just get rid of some of this brush, get some low-hanging branches chewed off, and then I can come back through the chainsaw, clean up whatever I miss. It's a good time of year to do this with the snow on the ground. No leaves, you can kind of see what you're doing a little better. blades there. Stop powering it for a second. See it slow down. Does a nice job as far as mowing. I just don't think it's quite the mower for this machine. I say the other one they had, I can't recall. I think it was a 40-inch, and this one's a 50-inch or something like that. But I think it was a better match. This one, for some reason, I swear there's something wrong with the pumps on this. I think they've just got it plumbed to the wrong thing, but it's what it is. So those blades were replaced last year. So see, hit the button. It would be nice to have that locked on. I haven't figured out if there's a way to do that. I can't see that there is, but then again, you don't want it on while you're traveling. The more it's on, the more you're heating the oil up. It's going to create issues. But there are times where you get in one position where you're reaching for a few minutes. It'd be nice just to lock the thing on, let it go. But let's see. Make do. What's really nice is watching these beach trees go away. Nothing I hate worse than beach. Oh. Here on the mountain, you can't get any saw logs out of it. They all go to hell before they ever make a saw log. They get destroyed by ice before they ever make a decent piece of firewood. They're all crooked and nasty. If it were me, I'd spend all my time just butchering the beach and getting rid of it. It sucks the sugar out of maple trees that are nearby, crowds out everything else. Just a miserable tree. So crooked, it's not even worth it. Especially up here with all the damage we get from ice and wind here on top of this mountain. That's the way it is. Teetering on these ledges. It's a trick to hold yourself in the seat. Keep the machine from falling over. Decimate that in about 2 seconds. This thing is not that, but it beats a chainsaw. So that's the way it is. Nice thing too is some of these hemlocks I can reach up and take the limbs right off.